Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP2200. I want to show you how to print photos from mobile phone and also from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your phone and laptop and printer are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected all via Wi-Fi network and using Epson Smart Panel on mobile device. So we're going to load 4x6 photo paper. First of all, we need to remove this A4 paper. Then load 4x6 photo paper, and also the printable area need to face up. Then adjust the paper guide. This is 4x6. Select Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. This is the printer and ink level. Select Print. Then select Print Photos. Authorize access. Allow for access. Then you select the photo you want to print out. Select the photo. Select Next. This is the photo we want to print out. Then you go to the settings, print settings. Select the size 4x6, 10x15 centimeter. Media type, photo paper glossy. Layout, borderless. Print quality high. Paper source, real paper tray. And also want to print it in color. Print date is off. Select number of copies. Select done. Then select print. So paper is selected from real paper tray. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny. We printed this out from mobile phone. Now I want to show you how to print from computer. After you install the full software and driver, it will give you option for you to select the software that you require. You can select Epson Scan 2, Epson Photo Plus, etc. So go to your laptop. On top of the laptop desktop, select Epson Photo Plus. So double click Epson Photo Plus. This is Epson Photo Plus. It's getting ready. update. I'm going to update later. Then select photo. Then select the size of the photo. Scroll down to select 10 by 15 centimeter. Select OK. Select on the photo. Select OK. This is the photo we want to print out. Then you select the size, layout, media type, Epson Premium Glossy. Scroll down to select Epson Paper Glossy. Print quality standard. You can select high or standard. So high. Then you select number of copies. Then select print. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Thank you very much indeed.